Hey, welcome to the channel guys, where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. In today's episode guys, I have two of this products here from Grip, GRIP, and they are from Princess Auto, and they are on sale. They're super cheap. They're like about $7, and I figured, hey, why not just give it a try, get two of them, and just try it out and see how they do work. I'm gonna put them on the Asuna Sunfire here for the winter, and also the Golf R, and give this one a try. So anyways guys, I'll probably leave them throughout the winter and investigate later on and see how well they're doing and how well they're actually trickling the charge on each one of these batteries. So anyways guys, stay tuned.
You put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue.
Well folks, the Asuna has been plugged in for the whole entire evening, overnight I mean, and basically here guys, it looks like it is still charging as the indicator light shows, and which is expected in a sense because it is a trickle charger, so it will safely do a floating charge on the vehicle battery in the safest way it can. So anyways, we'll keep you updated on how well this product will work. Well, I would like to see how our trickle charger is doing. It's been about a week since then, and show you guys exactly what's going on here. As for our Asuna Sunfire here, it's been pretty much plugged in for the past few weeks, or in the past week I mean, and it's still trickling. It's still floating charges on the car here, and as well I have also hooked up the Golf R here with its charger as well, and it looks like it's still somewhat charging as well in the process. So I guess that's how the trickle charger works basically guys, is that it will, you know, spin off the small charge as it goes, to just to retain some energy into the battery, so that way it doesn't die completely. Another week has gone by, and basically our charger here, our trickle chargers, I did notice that our Golf R here, it has fully charged. As you can see, the blue light is gone. That means it's fully charged, and it took about roughly a week for the Golf R to actually completely charged in this trickling effect. Before I had plugged it in, I tested it, and it was about in the 90% charge, and it took about a week for it to fully charge using this trickle charger. Of course, it's gonna sit there like that throughout the process, and it will then keep maintaining that charge 100% going forward. So in terms of the as soon as Sunfire, excuse my mess here, guys, because it's pretty messy here right now. Really, this one here, it's actually plugged in way longer than the Golf R. This has been plugged in for the past 2 weeks and a half, and still at the charging capacity there. So anyways, I have an older battery on the Asuna Sunfire. It's about a 5-year-old battery that I installed in there, and so I didn't really check how much charge I have, but I was assuming it was fairly low, and given that I haven't been really driving the car so much. So yeah, anyways, we'll keep checking as we go here, so stay tuned. Another day has gone by, folks, and I noticed that our Asuna Sunfire finally has been completely charged, as you can see here. And I have a battery tester here, and I'm gonna try and see if we can do some testing here. See, oh, excuse me, Chester. Basically here I have just want my tester here and see if we can test it out and see what is the charge that it has so far on both the Golf R and the Asuna Sunfire in the process. So I'll hook it up and I'll get back to you in a bit.
Uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding?
Okay, folks, as you can see, the tester shows full, so that means that our battery is now completely full. This is just right after, a day after the Golf R has fully charged. So it's about 3 weeks. It took 3 weeks for this battery at possibly a 50% charge to fully, completely charge. So that's actually pretty good. It's currently full right now. As you can see, it's fully charged. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll test the Golf R now.
It's right. It's right now.
As well with the Golf R, guys, as you can see, it's full, as the tester indicates. So everything is great. Looks like this inexpensive Trickle charger that we purchased here, made by Grip, is doing pretty well. Of course, it's not a fancy Trickle charger per se. You still require some extensions or whatever. It doesn't have any other fancy connections, easy connect or easy disconnect type deal, but it does the job. It doesn't have any fuse or anything like that basically has a safety there a little bit, but other than that, it does the job. I think as long as you keep an eye on it throughout the winter, should be all good from there. So I would say, for the price, I would say it's a good buy, and for what it can do, for the price that we paid for, I think it's well worth it. That's my take, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this product. If you have any experience on it, I would like to actually hear from you. By no means that this is a sponsored product. I figured I just grab one of them because it's so cheap that I figured to see if they actually work or not. Well, as always, please hit the subscribe button, and at the same time, guys, ring that bell so you can get notified for all the videos coming your way. And as well, guys, don't forget to like this video. If you do like any of my videos, please do so, because it does help me quite a bit from the algorithm point of view. So anyways, guys, every little help will count, so appreciate it so much.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do